It likes it in there. Maybe that's how I should sleep with it, if I needed to sleep with it again. Although then it could crawl out in the middle of the night. Let's see if you want to be double duck pinned. Can you walk that way?
It might bonk its head.
Whoa.
That was so funny.
Put it over your head while you're on the ground and see if you can get out.